Okay, so this is a bit of an experiment we've got happening here in our veggie garden this morning. Eleanor's raking out the ramial. So ramial is chipped branches and leaves around about 7 to 10 centimetres diameter or less. And where all the the trees hold most of their minerals in that part of the tree. So there are quite a few people, and we're trying to work with this as well. We're making ramial by chipping it up those small tips of the branches and the leaves, and putting about an inch over a garden bed and then forking it into the top 2 inches, and then plant like a winter carbon crop, for example lupins or oats, and then the fungi in the soil break down the ramial so that it becomes the food for the next crop that goes in, which in this case here will be the heavy feeder section of my garden. So we're raking out ramial to about 1 inch over the surface, or 2 centimetres, 2 point something, and then we're going to fork it into the top couple of inches, and then we're going to plant lupin seed, and we'll see next spring how it works as fertiliser for the, we won't put anything else on this bed, we'll just see how it works. A lot of people who have access to wood, willows and poplars and alders, are going to find this, well, it's free fertiliser basically if you've got access to a chipper. It has to be a fairly good chipper, strong chipper. So I think there's huge potential in using ramial for garden beds as well as obviously in forest gardens. But this is an experiment in our garden bed. Thanks, Eleanor.
That's deep enough.
Okay, so now we got the ramial spread on the top of the bed, and now Eleanor, with a little help from Bobby, mixing it in the top few inches using a U-bar.
Just put it halfway down. That's enough.
No, she can.
That's enough, yeah.
Where? Oh.